children. Today we are going to learn about how people in villages grow crops and how they get water for farming. We will learn this through a real life story of a girl named Varalakshmi who lives in a small village in Telangana. Her family are farmers, just like many others in her village. They depend on something very important, a tank. Not a military tank, but a big storage place that holds rainwater. Do you want to know how this tank helps the entire village? Come, let's explore and learn together in our topic, Our Village, Our Tanks, from Class 4 EVS. Learning outcomes. By the end of this session, you will be able to understand how tanks store water and help in farming. Understand the parts of a tank like the sluice, outlet and bund. Name a few famous tanks in Telangana. Keywords: rain-fed crops, crops that grow using only rainwater, not tank or canal water. Tank outlet: an opening in the tank that sends water to the fields. Pond: a small water body that holds less water than a tank. Canal: a narrow path or channel built to carry water to the fields. Concept map: Varalakshmi's family has been farming for many generations. Their fields get water from a tank called Nagula Cheruvu. When the tank is full, they grow crops like paddy, rice, which needs a lot of water. But for the last 2 years, there was very little rainfall, so they grew crops like jowar, groundnut, horse gram and ragi. These are called rain-fed crops because they grow mainly with the help of rainwater. These crops need less water. But even these didn't grow well because there was not enough rain. But this year, one day, suddenly, it rained heavily for 3 days. Varalakshmi wanted to visit the tank, but a small pond on the way, called Ladda Madugu, was overflowing. She waited until the rain stopped. When she reached the tank, it was overflowing with water. The villagers were happy. Now they could grow 2 crops this year. Everyone talked about the tank, crops and water. Let me tell you about the main parts the tank has to help store and release water. A sluice. This is a gate that controls how much water flows out. Outlets. These are openings on the sides that send water to the fields. A strong bund. A wall made of stones and mud that stops water from spilling out. Now children, an elder in the village named Narahari shared the history of the tank. He said that long ago, there was only a small pond in that place. It used to fill up with just a little rain, but the water was enough for only a few nearby farms. A farmer named Mallikarjun asked the government for help. An engineer named Abdul Bari planned a big tank. The whole village helped build it. They dug canals, built a bund, and made outlets. Later, they also made strong canals with stones and cement to carry water to the fields. Just like Nagula Cheruvu, there are many big and important tanks in different parts of Telangana. Let's learn about a few of them. Ramappa Tank. This tank is near the famous Ramappa temple in Jayashankar district. It is very old and was built many years ago to help nearby villages with farming. Panagal Tank, Uday Samudram. Located in Nalgonda, this tank gives water to many farms. It was built long ago by Uday Raju of the Chola dynasty. Hussain Sagar. This tank is in the middle of Hyderabad city. It was built hundreds of years ago. But now it has become polluted because of waste and dirty water going into it. Usman Sagar, Gandipet. This is also in Hyderabad. It is a fresh water tank, and even today it provides drinking water to many people in the city. Children, tanks store rainwater and help farmers grow crops. When there is no rain, farming becomes difficult. We learn how tanks are built, their parts, and why they must be protected. Water is life. Let's save it and protect our tanks. Thank you.